I've been creating videos on YouTube since 2009 in various different niches, and whilst a lot of them have seen success garner me millions of views each, the truth is most of them flop. However, I never gave up and kept going, and now I run a digital agency where I help various different content creators ranging from 500,000 subscribers all the way to over 5 million create viral videos that see tens of millions of views daily. And today I'm going to outline the steps that I'd take if I was going to start a brand new channel. The first thing you'd want to do is choose your niche. A niche is essentially the category in which your videos will relate to. Now, while some niches do pay better than others, it's important to choose one that you're passionate about, ignoring the amounts. This will help a lot with creator burnout. You'd also want to find a niche within your niche so that you're creating videos for a set group of people. For example, if you chose the gaming niche, you wouldn't just post videos about every game. You niche down into one game, for example, Minecraft, and then further niche down into an element within Minecraft such as story-driven let's play styled content. Now that you've chosen your niche, it's time to figure out what type of videos you're going to record. The simplest way to do this is to type various keywords relating to your video into the YouTube search bar, finding popular videos, taking notes of what they all have in common, and creating a new model based around the results. There's no need to completely reinvent the wheel. Do this a few times until you have a backlog of about 5 to 7 video ideas. From there, get to recording. You're just starting out, so don't overthink this step. Your audience doesn't know what to expect from you yet, so use this time to experiment with various different styles. You'll find what works and what doesn't. Then, double down on what does. Now that you have a handful of videos ready to go, it's time to bulk upload and schedule them for release. YouTube rewards consistency, so it's important to have a decent backlog of videos ready to go so that whilst you're creating new videos, you're not slacking on the upload. There are 4 important major elements that go into a YouTube video, and it's important that you understand each of them very well, as it could be the reason your video goes viral or be the reason the video completely flopped. I'll go into more detail on each of these in future videos, but now, to keep it brief, the thumbnail is the very first thing a potential viewer will see, and that's why it's important to have it bright and vivid and to include elements of your video so that they know exactly what they're about to watch. After viewing your thumbnail, they'll read the title, and that's why it's important to never give away too much information here and always leave your viewer with a sense of wonder, as this makes them more inclined to click on the video. The description is a place where you can describe the video, your channel, and even yourself using SEO-friendly sentences. This will help your video rank higher for specific keywords. Tags are what YouTube uses to categorize your videos, and it's a good idea to use the same or similar tags for every video you upload. This way, the YouTube algorithm knows exactly who to send your videos out to. Now that you know all of this, it's finally time to publish your first few videos. Good luck!